stick 'em in, jab me sausage fingers in. Whatever, Trevor. Oh no, I'm making some rookie mistakes. This is why I'm getting stressed. Hi everyone, I really hope you're doing well. Today, I'm apparently from Dallas, Texas. I don't know why. Black Friday got me, and it got me good. I bought a lot of things. A sensible person would have bought a lot of things for presents, you know, spent that sale ass money getting for other people. I've only bought for myself. It's so selfish. It's so restraint where you at. I just don't have any. And yeah. I'm just the worst human ever, basically. Something that I couldn't restrain myself from getting was basically like a gel nail, do you know, like the UV lamps, so that I can sort of do my own gel nails. I've only ever gotten my nails done once before. It was a lovely experience. I went with my brother's girlfriend. It was a nice like social thing, you know, I felt like one of the girl gang, but that was for my 21st birthday. About 6 months ago, and I'm realising I just don't think I'll ever be able to be one of these girls who goes every 6 weeks and can really maintain a beautiful manicure. I just find it really hard to fit into my schedule going to like places for my own maintenance. Does that make sense? I haven't had a haircut in exactly the same amount of time. I don't know what happens, just time moves fast. And then suddenly I've got a beard and my hair's on the floor and my nails don't exist. So I've said it before as well, I really enjoy kind of trying to do things myself. Weirdly, I enjoy spending time on my own doing weird shit. Little spoiler for one of the videos in the next week, I bought myself a lash lift kit. I'm gonna give myself a lash perm. Is it safe? Probably not. Will it work? Possibly not. Have I bought it anyway? Yes, because that's what I call a Saturday night. But this video I have reserved for me nail. I took a bit of a pre-shot of what my nails have looked like probably for the last 3 weeks. I've been very busy at work, I've just been busy. My nails have just been looking bad. They've actually grown, which they never normally do. I'm a occasional biter. What I do if I do bite them, I bite every single one within an inch of their life, either if I'm bored or if I'm stressed. Otherwise, they have just been left. Black Friday, I popped on a website that I only discovered through Soph Does Nails. I very much enjoy her content. If you haven't seen it, give her a watch. I hopped on the Mylee Cyrus website and there was a very good sale on. I think it was like 30% or something quite good. I wanted to make sure, because there was quite a lot of like good sets, but I wanted to make sure that I got the pro lamp. I just thought the main thing I want to like invest in is the lamp. You want to get the goodie, don't you? You want to get the good one. So I got myself this. This is the Mylee Pro Salon Series LED lamp. Convex curing technology. I don't know what that means, but I'm excited about it. Basically, the benefit with gel nails, if you're unaware, I'm very clueless when it comes to nails. All I'm aware of is gels. It's still like a nail polish, but it basically like sets onto your nail, doesn't budge and shouldn't chip at all. I also got gel remover in a set and a nail prep and polish. Probably going to be using that as well. Okay, I'm a bit overwhelmed, I'm going to be honest. Okay, so I've opened this up. Oh, the point of this video, I thought I'm doing it for the first time. If it goes badly, I might as well film it, so come along. Oh man, it's cute, it's cute. Well, stick 'em in. Jab me sausage fingers in. The single bad thing is, spoiler, I'm moving out. I currently live in a quite small room, so I've not got like any form of table. So this is going to have to be put on my bed, which might not be a good idea. I don't know. This is all about the YOLO lifestyle. so come along if you dare. I'm looking at the time and realising this is going to be quite a long video. Is it going to be worth watching? You decide. Oh my gosh. I have a real urge to put BoJack Horseman on, but can't do that, can I? I will at some point, let's be honest here. I'm still not reaching for the instructions. Does anyone else just like, I can do this on my own? Until it just blows up. Okay, I'm like just plugging it all together and that. What? Okay, it's just come on for 60 seconds. They're just little sensors like that are the shape of the thumbprint. So you've got 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and I've just clicked 60 seconds. I'm guessing that's the length of cure. I think I need to do some research. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna have a little look, and I'll come back a little bit more educated. I think that's probably for the best. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit more informed. I've gone on the Mylee website just to like inform you on the exact set that I got. I got the Mylee Gel Black Convex Curing Lamp Kit with Gel Nail Polish Essentials. RRP, £75. I got it for $56.25, which I think is pretty good. It's a bit of an investment. The main lamp is meant to last you like forever. You've got some good like helpful bits in there, and you get 4 colours and a top coat and a base coat, I believe. I'd say that's pretty good. Come on, that's pretty good, and it gets like very good reviews as well. So if you just scroll down, it actually shows you a really helpful how-to. So it has 10 steps, whether I'll be doing 10 steps. We're gonna see how bored I get. Short attention span is a bit of an understatement. So step 1, wash and dry your hands. If you could see the obstacle that it would take to even get to my door right now, no. We're gonna skip that one. I didn't wash them that long ago, so anyone who's like, it's okay. Number 2, cuticle stick. Use the cuticle stick to gently push back the cuticles. I don't have one of those. So I'm gonna use like my nails. Probably really unhygienic, but you know. If someone did this to me in a salon though, I'd be like... Now I don't have like another camera to set up a nail cam. We're gonna see how my phone goes. This could potentially be an extremely boring video. At the same time, sometimes, I don't know about you, I really enjoy quite boring content. I have this weird thing where like, even if I'm doing like the most menial task, I have to have something on in the background. Boring content can actually be extremely helpful. It's actually crazy how much of your nail is just like stuck in your upright cuticle. I do have slight PTSD. The single time that I had my nails done, she did a grand job, but I think it's quite common. Basically she was like pushing back my cuticles, and do you know when they just slightly like cut one or something? It hurt like a mother, and it hurt for about 4 days afterwards as well, so I'm quite conscious not to make the same mistake myself. Right, cuticles done. Step 3, nail file. Get the nail file out. Is that a nice sound? I don't know. I am a fan of a more square nail, not a jagged square, but rather than like a pointer or anything like that, I prefer a kind of, oh, everyone's gonna be like, do it one way. Who's got time for that? I'm sorry. Whatever, Trevor. Right, I'm gonna put BoJack Horseman on until I've filed. Okay, I'm as filed as I can be bothered to be. I'll show this camera. Hello, hello. They're quite long for me. Normally they're not as evident as this. I don't know. But I think they look okay. Oh, that one is like quite a lot longer than that one, but is that annoying? I don't really care, I'll be honest. Okay, next step is buffer. Remove the shine from the nail plate with a buffing block. I don't have a buffing block. I have a toe separator, which if I remember is made of quite similar material. So let's just do that. I don't even, are my nail plates shiny anyway? I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand. Oh well. This is quite therapeutic though. Buffering I think is done. I'm gonna say it's done. Next, we're gonna do nail prep and polish. Wipe. Let's open this bad boy. Ow. Okay. Blue is nail prep and polish. If you were like, which is which? I got quite nervous then. I have a feeling I'm going to go through these lint-free wipes quite quickly. Oh, they're cute. Okay. I'm quite excited. Okay. This seems like a lot of steps for when I used to literally just whack on a very crappy colour and just be like, what is this? I'd like to know what this is. Is this it smells like nail varnish remover, but also something else? I'm intrigued. What am I doing? Rub away. Is this light making me look shiny already? That's fun. That's what you want. Okay, I think I'm done. Sanitize the nail plate. No, that's... I keep thinking I've got to rub over the lamp thing or something. Okay, apply base coat. Oh my god, it's getting intense. Okay. Okay, it's starting. It's starting. Before we start this, I might as well just quickly show you the collection of nail colours that we got. We got the base coat, which I am literally about to use right now. We've got the top coat, and then we got 4 colours. Can I be honest, right now these are not my favourite colours, but it was the best price to get like a set, so I think I'm going to be getting some gel nail varnishes from elsewhere. If anyone's got recommendations that aren't too expensive but just that work with an LED lamp, I'd really appreciate that actually. We have Pastel Chic, which is like a nudie pink. We have Requiem for a pink, which is like not a very nice pink in my opinion. It might look lovely on the nails, but it's not a colour that I would normally go for. We have Soft Touch, which is kind of like a dark muted kind of lilac. Again, probably not my favourite colour. And then we have Diva, which is kind of like a dark vampy red. I feel like, do we just go straight in with a dark vampy colour? I feel like out of the 4, maybe it's my favourite. Go for the dark. Go hard or go home, you know? Let's apply some base coat to this bitch. I'm getting nervous now. I'm about to have to start using the lamp. Because I think when I got my nails done, she would like stick like your first hand in while she was then doing the other hand. Oh, suddenly I feel quite overwhelmed. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay. It possibly feels actually quite a bit more gloopy than like normal nail varnish. Not in a bad way, as in it's going a lot further. Oh, now what do I do? Do I put it in? Oh my god, oh my god. I'm doing it, wait. This is super exciting. Oh, okay, so that I think means it's done. Okay, oh my god. Now I need to do the other hand, okay. So where are we at now? Apply 1 coat. Are they joking? Apply 1 coat of the colour. Okay, I'm intrigued, I tell you, I'm intrigued, okay. I'm nervous. Why have I gone for a dark colour first? It's like going, I've never ran before. Let's run a marathon. Child's play, I tell you. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this. That's it. Wreck my teeth in the process. Absolutely fine. Okay, oh my god, I'm scared. Oh, this looks like an intimidating colour. It would help if I had a table because it's on a slant and it could tip all over my bed. Oh, holy moly, I think I've taken too much off, have I? Fine. This has a hair in it. Oh, for God's sake. Nothing goes right for me. Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay, okay. Oh, I've got nervous. I've got nervous. Oh no, I'm making some rookie mistakes. Part of me would love to do this as a job for people, but do you know that moment when you put it on the side of your finger and it's okay because it's you and you're like, oh, don't mind. But like if I was to do that to someone else, I'd be like, oh, I'm so sorry. I'll wash it off in the flashiest of flashes. I'm like trying to remember last time I had like a dark vampy like colour on, and I'm trying to remember if I like it or not. And I'm putting the middle. Oh my god, it's happening. This is quite nerve-wracking to film. I wish I just had like a bloody somewhere to just put this, but I just don't. Cure away, young warrior. So now I need to do the other hand. Yeah, I am a blue nail girl. I'm a bright red nail girl. Massively, like probably more than anything, I'm a bright red nail girl. Why is there so many hairs in this nail varnish? I'm not actually joking. Like, I wish I was joking, but it's really annoying. Oop, put too much on. Like by a lot, get off. Oh, I massively got into yellow nail varnish. I bought it from Under the Stories. I love it. So I really want a yellow gel nail. I'm a massive fan. It just makes me happy. I think if you're gonna like make yourself a constant colour accessory, it might as well be fun. I just can't get on board with like nude. Just leave them plain. Just leave them, or have a good time. Don't do the boring in between, in my opinion. Go hard or get yourself home. Oh, I've done it, I've done it. I've done it. Now I'm gonna cure it. Oh, okay, what's on? It's on. This is a bit stressful, a little bit. I'm a bit confused why there's a 60-second option if I'm not gonna use it. It's still really tacky. Right, I'm gonna live life on the edge and I'm gonna do 15 seconds on each one. I might come out with nails that just fall off, but I'd rather live life on the edge. Hello, Tom. I'm checking back in. I'm gonna be honest, I got really stressed because I felt like they're not drying, but maybe someone's gonna tell us I just need to be patient, but patience ain't my middle name, I tell you. I'm curing me top coat at the moment, and yeah, I'm just a bit stressed. I don't know how I managed to get stressed over this, but it's happened. So this is where I'm at right now. I don't know how to feel. Obviously I'm not good at going within the lines. No, I'm not, but the nail itself looks quite good. Maybe I should have done 2 coats. It told me to do 1 coat, but maybe that's marketing being like, we can do it in just 1 coat, but you know that that's a load of bollocks. So maybe this is a learn, but I think they look quite cute. They're not horrendous. They're also not great. I'll be honest, I kept getting hair stuck in them, and I think it's because I have a cat and there's like hair on me bed and clothes, and that's a nightmare. So I feel like if you can do it on a table, the better you're gonna be for it. But yeah, they've turned out really pretty actually. Oh, they're still wet though. What do I do? This is why I'm getting stressed. It acts as if they'll be like dry in 2 minutes. I call Mr. Bully shitty. It'll be fine. It will be fine. So I've now cured them again. I'm going to jump back in with me prep and wipe, sanitize the top coat. If this now takes it off. Oh no. Oh wow. That's mental. Oh, okay. So I'm wiping the top and it's not coming off. I would say that's hopeful. I don't know about you. Oh wow. Okay, it's not coming off. Well, that's them done, I think. That is your fingernails. This is my first attempt, so you're not allowed to say that I've done a terrible job. It's actually not allowed. The 10th step is cuticle oil. I don't have that, so my cuticles are gonna just have to crack and die, but that's okay. Overall, I have high hopes for this. I feel like I just need to get the hang of it a bit. We'll see how it goes. In another video, I might just kind of give you a quick little update, or even actually what I'll do is I'll give you updates on my Instagram stories, so make sure you're following me on there to keep updated. Subscribe to see a little bit more of me. I'm on a venture to just make myself look fabulous, but doing it all myself. Stay subscribed to get a load of that. Like the video if you enjoyed. I know it's a weird one, but I just thought why not? Have a lovely rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.